Hi, year one. So we are on Wednesday, the 27th for phonics. So same as normal, you'll need pen, paper, whiteboard, pen, whatever you've got. So just go and get that and then come back and we're ready to go. Okay. Right, we're going to do a warm-up now. It's the same warm-up as yesterday, but I will just tell you different sounds if I can remember the sounds I told you. So we're just going to go through each of these sounds here. We've got 5, 10, 4, so 14 there. So let's go through these sounds at the bottom. I'm going to choose purple today, why not? Okay, we've got A, E, I, O, U, R, or, ow, oi, ear, air, year, and okay, so I'm going to say a sound and I want you to write it down. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to do so, okay? So please could you write me the A sound, like in rain, the A sound. If you know another A sound, try and write that down as well. So A, okay. Zero. Okay, the A sound was the very first one over here. So that was the A sound. You could have also written the A, as we know in phase 5, which is like this here. And we could have even, if you remember from in school, don't worry, we'll do this all again when we're back, the A sound as a split bar diagram. Okay, choosing another one. Oh, this one, a bit harder. So the sound, there's actually 2 on there for the sound. So you've got, I'm going to give you 12 seconds to get 2. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so the sound, there were 2 possible on there. We had which is okay, as if we had the word huh. Oh, terrible writing, Miss Adams. Like that. Or you could have had which is like this, which normally comes at the end of a word. For example, sister. Okay, and if you're feeling really fancy, there's actually another one in phase 5, isn't there, which is so there's 3 types of the Okay, one more sound to get on our warm-up, guys. Can you please write the R sound? So R, just like you're at a dentist, that looks strange. R, okay, ready? Okay, the R sound was this one over here. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so we are on, so we're looking at our phase 5 and phase 3. So phase 5 is in blue and phase 3 is in red. So this is the O sound. Now to do O, you make it look as if you're a bit shocked. You go, oh, okay, like somebody's told you some interesting news or some brand new information. You say, oh, okay, so you might be a little bit surprised. So O and O. So we've got O in phase 5 in blue over here, and we've got O in phase 3, which is red over here. Okay, so let's read these words at the bottom. Ready? 3, 2, 1. O, toe. Here we go. O, a, o, s. Right, I'm going to break that up. At, mat, o's. Tomatoes, tomatoes, that doesn't quite sound right. Tomatoes, that's going to be tomatoes. You've got to make it sound right. Here we go. Oat, coat. And oat, float. And this one, goes. Now the phase 5 O is normally at the end of a word, but quite often you'll see it at the end of a word and with a s as well, which would sort of mean more than one in some cases, but here it doesn't. So there we go. Let's move on. Right, we're going to see how many times you can write the O sound in 1 minute. So I'm just going to get a timer up here, year one. So get ready with your pencil or your pen or whatever you've got, and you're going to see how many times can you write that O sound in 1 minute. Now remember, O, sound button, finger space. O, sound button, finger space. Doesn't count if you haven't done your sound buttons and finger spaces. Ready? Here's my minute timer. Ooh, there we go. Ready, steady. So O, E for O, sound button underneath, and then finger space before your next one. So O, sound button, finger space, O, sound button, finger space, O, sound button, finger space, O, sound button, finger space. Okay, you've had about half your time, so see how many more you can get of the O sound in phase 5. So O. Keep going. So O, sound button, finger space. Next one. Okay, you've got 15 seconds. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do, 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 do. And stop. And count how many you got. So count how many times you managed to write the O digraph in phase 5. So count those up and then write the number that you got. Okay, so count them up and write the number that you have got. And you could always have a go at trying to beat your score if you wanted to pause me and do that as well. Okay, so I'll give you 10 seconds to count it up and then we'll move on. Okay? There we go. Okay, hope you got lots. You normally get lots. You enjoyed it. Okay, so I'd like to read through these 5 sentences, please. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So very similar to like what we did yesterday with the oo sound. You're going to read the sentence and identify the word that has the O sound. So O, like that. So here we go. The, d-o, doe, ran, across the park. The doe ran across the park. Now the word that's got the O sound in is this one here. So it's O, doe. So you can write that on your page. Okay, and then you'll move on to question 2 and you will find the word that's got the O sound and write that with whatever you've got to write it with. Okay, so pause me here, finish reading those sentences and writing the sounds, and then unpause me, ready for the very last slide. Okay, so I'm going to say a sentence and you're going to write it down. So I have given you a clue here that the O sound in phase 5 is normally at the end of the word, or it can have a S that comes after it, so look out for that. And the O sound in phase 3, spelled O-A, is normally in the middle. Okay, and I've actually helped you with a lot of the sentence here, so it's just these lines that have got a word that you need to put in it. So the sentence is, ouch. Well, it's 2 sentences. Ouch, my toe is stuck in my coat. Ready? Ouch, my toe is stuck in my coat. So there's your lines to help you there with what that is. So remember that sentence. So ouch, my toe is stuck in my coat. And remember your phase 3 and phase 5 spellings to help you. Okay, so pause me here, write that sentence, upload your work onto Dojo, and then tomorrow we'll be back and we're starting a story tomorrow. All right, look forward to seeing your work, year 1. Thank you.